Hey folks, it's WeFire88 here, back with another fan video, and what we're looking at here today is this 52-inch bright brass Hunter Passport 2 ceiling fan. It's got a bright brass genuine 3-fitter Hunter light kit on here. This came with the fan. I did not put this on here. I got this from Habitat a few weeks back. It was originally hanging on a 1-foot down rod, but as you can see, I've flush mounted it. And that canopy that's up here is actually not original. I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. It's weird, they had like a different style Hunter canopy on it. Yeah, so you know, it's just like how they all are, medium oak on top, and then, or usually it's medium oak on the bottom and then this finish is on top, but it's the other way around this time. I'm not sure what this blade finish is called. I'm sure somebody that's knows Hunters very well could tell me. I know that this is like medium oak, but yeah, this thing's in very good shape. Not sure where it was installed before, but if I were to guess, it probably came out of a cabin, you know, one of those cabins that's all wood everywhere, not a single lick of sheetrock anywhere. It's probably where this thing came from. Wherever it was, they never really used it, because again, it's in really nice shape. Some of the marks are from me just, you know, cleaning it up a little more. It's got these nice Tiffany shades. I believe these are factory. But yeah, anyway, let's test this thing out, shall we? It's a very beautiful looking fan. Here's the light. Just got my old 15-watt incandescent light bulbs in there. Nothing too special. Yeah, this is the only Passport 2 that I have. Here's low. Not sure if I mentioned this already, but this fan is from the fourth quarter of 1997, or it could be something different with the 4. I know something changed later on with how they dated these fans, but all I know is that this fan, well, we all know that this fan's from 97, so. As you can see, it just runs like great. It just runs beautifully. Good old Passport low speed, you know. Every Hunter is the same with speeds, as you know. Getting a very slight gentle breeze from it. Nothing really crazy. Obviously, you know, it's on low. These old 90s Hunters, I know I've destroyed a few of them in the past, but those ones were in way worse shape than this one. This one's actually nice. Very pretty, you know. Alright, let's take this up to medium. This is the original fan's canopy. Yeah, I don't think these canopies came out until like 99 or super early 2000s. And also, they drilled this canopy out, so that older style mounting bracket that's supposed to have this style canopy, that like how it is right now, like the way that it is right now is the correct way that it's supposed to be, but for some reason it had this canopy on it and it didn't even have the mounting bracket that's supposed to go from here to, you know, There, just weird, you know? Just weird. But I was able to find that canopy and Habitat spare parts, thankfully. I did have this fan in my room for a little bit. Great fan. Really, there's nothing wrong with this thing at all. It's dead silent. Alright, let's take this up to high. Yeah, this thing performs awesome. I don't know if it's my back box or whatever, but this thing does wobble a little bit. Not a super big deal. It doesn't concern me a whole lot. Doesn't wobble on medium low, that's all I care about, you know. But high speed, if it has a wobble like this, whatever. There's really nothing much you can do except try to take the time and precisely balance the thing, which is stupidly tedious, but yeah. I think it's this back box, because when I had it on my bedroom ceiling, it did not wobble. And that's the other thing, I think it's because I don't have, it's on a back box where there's no sheetrock around it, so there's nothing to kind of support itself, I guess. But this thing runs fantastic, no pun intended. Like, this thing's a really good fan. Of course, not perfect, just like every other hunter, you know. That mounting plate that's up there that this fan is hanging from is the original mounting plate. Again, not sure why they had that canopy on this fan. Alrighty, let's take this down to spin down. Or show off the light first, duh. I keep forgetting to say that part, you know, whatever. Yeah, I think those shades are factory. I'd have to look through the 90s Hunter catalogs to see if maybe these shades just happen to be in one of the catalogs. Who knows? Spin down. Yeah, I typically don't get passports. Like, this is my only passport too. I used to have 2 antique brass ones. One had a Air Max motor in it. It was antique brass. I got rid of that one. And then the other one was just like this one. Just antique brass. No light kit on it, but that one ended up going into my grandmother's garage. That fan is either in the landfill now or it's still installed into there this day. I don't know. Don't know. These Passport 2s are still pretty common in my area. Last time I was at Habitat, there was a antique brass Summer Breeze with a spotlight kit that came in. I didn't get it because, you know, those are common as get out as well. But I got this Passport mainly because of the light kit and just because of how this thing looked. Looks very pretty. Anyway, as you guys can see, the fan has now stopped. I am now going to end the video here, and I sure hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.